So I've been working on my exhaust. That's what I've got so far. I haven't really filmed it. I kind of just came by one night and just started working on it. But it's gonna go out the side fender here. It's the best bet for me. I kind of angled it, kind of twisted it, and then it's gonna twist a little bit more. It's gonna come out right here. Just gonna drill a hole there, and yeah, that's pretty much it. These little pie cuts. I think it's a 3 1/4 or 3.5 inch exhaust. Yeah, stainless steel. We're just doing MIG welding on it, nothing special. Just get it done because we need to get this thing on the road. It's already almost spring. I think it is spring, maybe. But yeah, it is spring. So yeah, I'm gonna get this exhaust done, and then maybe do the electric boost controller, the 4-port, and then go to O'Reilly's or something and get just a dump pipe. I'm just gonna dump it straight down. For the wastegate, it's gonna go, of course, this flange. I think it's just gonna go straight down here and right under the skid plate, or right before it. I think right after it, actually, maybe about a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch right there. We're gonna, yeah, we might bend it out just a little bit at the end, or cut it just at an angle, and it's just gonna go out the side there. Yeah, we're gonna get the wastegate kind of on there and see what we could do. I just need a little, probably 6 or 8 inch piece. We'll see. But yeah, other than that, I bought that from eBay. Garbage. I tried balancing it. Complete garbage. I don't want to say who, because I still might get not a refund, but it's just a different wheel, because this one's straight up like, I got it 28 ounces on the outer, and the inner wheel here was like 18 ounces or something. It was something crazy. And yes, I took all the weights off and everything. Of course, I kind of know how to balance, kind of. But yeah, I got that from eBay. Complete trash. And yeah, just a bad wheel. I don't know. It's not dinged up or anything, but I just threw it on the tire there, and it was wobbling like a good 1/4 inch. I was like, dang. So I kind of reset it. I thought I mounted it or like put it on the balance machine wrong, but no, everything's fine. And yeah, this inner piece is clean, so it's not like off balance or anything. So I don't know what it could be, except the rim, of course. So got to get a new one of those. That's for a whole different car. But yeah, we're gonna be working on this today. A little side note: eBay wheels, don't trust them all the time. Double check them. But we're just cutting, doing our thing. Yeah. So pretty much we got this thing on. Cut this thing in, cut a hole. Just drilled a hole in the middle, smaller, because I didn't have a 3.5 inch hole saw, so I drilled a hole smaller. Took my snips, cut around it, and then grinded the little triangles off. And yeah, it's gonna be sticking about that far, hitting the next person. But I'm for sure gonna cut it out a little bigger. But yeah, there's a little hole. I'm probably gonna put something in there so it doesn't bang and rub. I got to cut probably a 1/4 inch around for the motor mounts, when the motor shifts and everything. But yeah, pretty much it. Boom. It's gonna fit like that, weld it on, and it's gonna stick out. Probably gonna cut it right at the wheel right here, just so I have some extra, and then I could cut the fender and then trim it whenever I need to. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Check out this side. Yeah, it comes a lot inner. I'm probably gonna put it flush with the wheel on that side also. So yeah, that's the plan. Let's do it. So this is it. Boom, coming right out the side. Still got to cut the fender, but I want to get a real hole saw for the fender. I don't want to kind of not butcher it, but kind of make it all wanky. But yeah, comes up, kind of curves like that, and it comes up and curves out. It's literally exactly what I wanted. So yeah, wells didn't turn out too bad. I mean, they could use some love, but I'm gonna probably powder coat it. I'm not gonna keep it stainless. I'm gonna powder coat it, or maybe keep it like this. I'll see. If it grows on me, I'll keep it. If not, I'll just powder coat it, and then yeah, leave it like that. So pretty much it. It's probably gonna be, I'm gonna cut it at an angle or something. Cut it. We'll see what happens. Make it look cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. So we just cut up some pies for the wastegate. We're gonna go probably down, of course, but it sits up kind of, so we're kind of gonna 90 it down. Not the most ideal situation, but hey, you know, I could have went up through here again, right here. Would have been cool, but maybe later. Maybe I could even get it. Ooh, that'd be kind of cool. If I do internal, I might actually do that. We're gonna test fit it. Maybe I'll just do internal and cut something up here, and then just slide it right in there and call it a day. Also, I actually gotta check that out right now. But yeah. So yeah, we got the kind of 90. So I'm probably not gonna go into there because it's gonna mess with the AFRs and everything, and then I can't really put the AFR sensor real close to the turbo. You know, down here it wouldn't really work. Up there, the wastegate, when it opens, it's gonna mess with the AFRs and all that stuff. So I'm gonna drop it down for now. If it does do anything, or when we get it tuned and all that stuff, then I might throw it back up and throw it through the exhaust. But we'll see. I'm just trying to get this guy in like that. And then I have this last piece I'm gonna throw in there and measure it and see where I need to cut it. So yeah, almost there.